Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Now, nobody likes introductions, so let's keep it short and sweet. Please subscribe. Alright, now, today we're going to be putting songs into Stepmania 5 version 5.01. So, let's start off. We're going to go into File Explorer and we need the Stepmania 5 folder. You can find this by searching your PC for Stepmania. However, because my computer's slow, that's going to take a while. So I'll just use this shortcut straight here. So the file that we want is to be here. So you'll see now it's background effects and stuff like that. We're going to go into songs and then just click the Stepmania 5 folder. You don't need to do anything there. This is where everything happens. These are all of the songs on Stepmania 5. So let's just call it Stepmania from now on. We're going to create a new folder and oh crap. We'll call it what? Yeah, that's how you spell it. Okay, so that's our song. Now, what you need is a SM and an SSC file. So we can find those in a previous song that we've created. Now, make sure you're not copying over OLD or old files. Make sure you're copying over the proper ones. So SM and SSC. So Control C, Control V. This is problematic. Then we go back, grab the SSC file, Control C, and Control V. Alright, now, what we're going to need is a music track to use. So go into music, grab whatever song you need. I can't really show you where it is because your music library is probably very different to mine. So, let's go back to our Stepmania folder. And Control V. And now we're just going to rename these. So we'll start off with that. Just remove the O2. And for these, we're just going to rename it so that it is the same as the other one. Nope, that's not how you spell it. Make sure you don't do typos because it wastes your time. So, and we're going to do the same one for this one. Alright, so that's all good. Another thing you'll need, which we're not going to go into today, is you're going to need a banner and a background. So like, I'll give you this. The background needs to be preferably a large image and it has to be a perfect square. And the banner is preferably 512 by 120 or thereabouts. So, now that we have gotten that out of the way, we can go straight into Stepmania. Alright. Just double checking that I'm still recording. Yeah, I'm still recording. Alright. So, you want to go into Edit and Share, Edit Songs and Steps. Now, you'll notice that there are two of these. The way to tell the difference between the two is to find the file. This is the song on it, so we'll edit existing, and you just want to start the song to see if it will play. That's the correct one because it's playing the correct music and it's got no background because we put no background in it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to delete the existing map. And so we're going to create a new one now. And now there is nothing there. First thing, the absolute first thing you want to do is change the BPM to the correct one. If you don't know the BPM of your song, you can look it up online. Alright, so that's all good. Now what you're going to want to do is edit the song info. So this one is called Incoming. And you're also going to want to edit its artist. Alright, so don't forget to save after you've done that. It makes your life so much easier. Now to add arrows, you press 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and down just moves this between bars. And if you wanted to create half notes, you press the right arrow travels that way. And press left, you go the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So now if we play this whole song, yeah. So that's how it works. However, that is a bit off because if we go into timing data, the offset has been altered because of the previous song that this map was used for. So unless you really need it, keep this at 0. And that just makes sure that the bars in the actual song match up with the bars in the arrow map. So now if we press it, it matches up perfectly. So yeah, don't forget to save, and that's about all I can tell you. Now, if you want to change, if you don't know your controls, it's easy. You just go into options, config key joy mappings, and then you just have, this just tells you what everything is. So now, that's all you need to do. You've made your song and now you can give it a try. So yeah, thank you for watching, subscribe and stuff like that, and hopefully I'll see you in another video. Thank you, bye.